Okay, so this tractor right here is a Yanmar 336D. This is probably one of the best pieces of equipment I've ever bought. I've had it for years since I was younger. It was one of the, I wouldn't say first tractors I bought, but it was one of the first, like, actually very, very capable machines I bought. It's diesel, it's four-wheel drive, has a front end loader on it. You got two-speed PTO, three-point hitch, all that. I had other tractors in the past, but this is the first, like, actual, really capable machine. So it really does need rear tires, but here I am filling them up. I haven't started this tractor in probably 7 or 8 months at this point, and every time the thing, I mean, it fires right off. It runs beautifully. So I started up. The rear tires were flat, so I pumped them up there. And then what you're seeing me do right now is, if you watch my left hand, I'm playing with the shuttle shifter. This tractor has a shuttle shift mechanism on it where you actually don't need to use the clutch to shift it, but I like to anyway. But anyway, what I'm messing around with here is I put this piece of metal underneath the clutch pedal because what had happened was last time I went to use the tractor, the clutch was sticking. Now this tractor, before it was actually used, it's probably been about 2 years at this point. And the clutch, like what happens with a lot of these machines, it stuck. I couldn't get it to unstick last time, so what I did was I put a block underneath the pedal um, to keep the pedal, down. And sure enough, I came back. It was probably 24 hours later or so, and moved the shuttle shifter, put it in gear, and it didn't want to go forward because the clutch pedal was down. So the clutch is now free, and yeah, I can use it, you know, normally now. So that was a huge relief. Okay, so here basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to clean up this area right in front of the camera. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but there's a berm for drainage, and I'm going right along it now. And the reason I'm standing up is because I'm looking for any debris that's over there. Stuff gets stored along this berm. This is part of the storage area, and the far side of the berm where Daisy's standing right there. She's standing right actually where the field almost starts.
the farm fields. The combines are out in the actual fields themselves right now, just to kind of get them out of the way. Then what I'm going to be doing is, once I clean up this area, I'm going to be using the skid steer to move things into that area there. I'm going to move trailers and debris and all. You can see all this stuff in front of the camera right now. That tote bin tank right there. Then there's a irrigation tank to the left of it, and debris and stuff. That's all going to get moved into there, or it's going to get sorted out here. But essentially I have to clean along that berm because that's my storage area. So like I said, right now I'm just cleaning up some overgrowth in the field to be able to put everything in that area temporarily, just for staging, basically. And you'll see me doing that in the next few clips.